guys, TinaGale here, and I have another little haul video. I swear I've been scrapbooking. I have completed at least 2 layouts last month, and I have some others in the works planning, so I'm not just shopping, but I am shopping more than I'm creating. This is the American Crafts Vault sale, and if you have not checked it out, you need to check it out because it's like up to 80% off of products. So this is mega cheap. And we all know products are going away faster every day. I don't feel bad about shopping for things that I love and putting it up to use when I will have more time and less money. So let's dig in. I'm going to go ahead and tell you the prices of what I bought so you'll understand why you need to go check it out. And also, I feel like I restrained myself very well. This is all that I bought, and I could have spent so much more. They have free shipping on $75, so be sure to watch those limits and stuff. And in case they have some kind of special when you go on and shop, be sure to check that out because I really want to say that it was less when I ordered, but maybe, yes. So when I ordered, they had it free shipping on $25. So what I purchased here was only $30. That was with the tax and everything in there. And like I said, they had free shipping on $25. So still a good deal at $75. And trust me, you'll find that much. So let's dig in. I'm going to start with the bigger stuff first. So these are some vellum, printed vellums that I just fell in love with. So this is Vicky's Bold and Bright, but I just love the flowers and the gold. This was 66 cents. These are usually like $3 a sheet. So I just felt like that was a great deal, and I love that. And I've been seeing some things here lately and using some printed vellum papers, and so I just wanted a few more in my stash. This one here has the gold florals on the corners. Super cute. I don't know if I'll use it like this or I may cut it out and do it some other way. This one was 70 cents. So again, great deal. This is the Gingham Garden from Crate Paper, and I've picked up a few things here and there from Office Supply, and I picked up another little embellishment here of this collection. So I have some paper and that matches that. I don't know that I'll use it together, but I do have paper that matches it. Okay, then let's look at the thickers. We all know thickers are getting more and more expensive. So this one is a fall stickers thicker set. This goes with Farmstead Harvest is what it's called. But it is so adorable. I love the little deer here. So my grandson's, he loves going on little nature walks, and he calls these reindeer now. And so they've been out walking, so I wanted to use that. Fall is my favorite time of the year, so I can't seem to not buy fall. Okay, this is from that Gingham Garden, and I think, this was $1.20 for this one. Did I say how much this one was? This one was $1.99. This one was $1.20. So there's 91 stickers. Super cute. Lots of options here. And again, I love florals. I love butterflies. So I thought that was great. Some of the other embellishments that I got is Vicky Bouton's. This one here. Let me turn it over. Because these are just jam-packed full. And this one I paid $3. I think it was like $3.75 for these. But you'll see there's acetate pieces down here, cardstock stickers. These are washi stickers. So it just goes on and on and on. So definitely worth $4. There's 288 pieces in that. Paige Evans, these dimensional stickers. Usually these are quite expensive, and I kind of shy away from buying them because they are so expensive. But I love them because all of the dimension that they put in them. This one has gold foiling as well. What collection? This is Bungalow Lane, which I know I have some of it. This was 90 cents for those. And again, those are quite expensive. Then I got some alphabet stickers here just because I love this small font. So this is a perfect match from American Crafts, but it's just a great font. That was $1. And then I got these Moonlight Magic. I think I have some of this collection. It wasn't necessary for the collection, but these little fairies here. So we had went to Flower and Garden Festival in Disney several years ago, and they had the fairy garden. And so I just know this is going to be so perfect for my pictures that I took from there. Sorry, I'm stumbling over words. So yeah, I picked that up, and it was so cheap. It was another one that was $1 for that. Then I went looking for some dies because I wanted to add to my dies. So I have some circle dies, but it never seems like I have the right size. And the ones I have, one set is one that does the inside and the outside. So sometimes it's a pain. I didn't realize that when I bought it. But this one is anywhere from 1/4 of an inch, and it goes all the way up to 5.5 inches. So surely I have every single size that I will need. There's 21 circles. That was $5.99. And we all know that's a heck of a lot more. And then I'm looking for some flower dies. So if anybody has some recommendations for some great flower dies that are very usable, friendly for layouts and things, let me know. I do have some that are the leaves and things like this, but this was so adorable, and it was only $3.99 for the 3 of them. And I know I'll use those on lots of layouts, so I picked it up. There was a fall one here, super cute. Has Thankful, has leaves and the pumpkins. This was $2.20. And then this one, I normally would not have picked this up probably, but Jana Eubanks did a layout at the crop where she had used some different vegetables and things, and I saw that and I immediately thought of her layout, and I thought, well, that's really cute. I mean, I don't think there's a ton of layouts that you would use it on, but it's super, super cute, and it's a good size, and it was only $1.99. So I know that I will get $1.99 use out of it. So we got a little strawberry, the plant marker, and a little basket. So you could break these up. I know I could use these on several layouts and that on several layouts too. So I picked that up. So that is my haul. Like I said, all of that was $30. And I can guarantee you probably a circle set like this with 22 circle sizes was probably $30. So I felt like it was a great deal. There's tons and tons and tons of product there. And like I said, it's up to 80% off. So be sure to check it out. Hope you enjoyed my haul. I was hoping to get a few more layouts done and then do a layout share. I don't know if that's going to happen or not, but I'm going to try. Thanks so much for watching, and happy shopping. See you soon.